I'll guide you through how to use Figma to design a website. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by going to Figma and signing in if you are new, or just logging in if you already have an account. Once logged in, navigate to Templates and Tools from the main menu. Look for the search bar located in the top right corner and search for Website to find relevant templates. You'll see many templates ready to use, so pick one that you like. For example, you can use 10 Framer websites, landing page UI web to Figma, which offers good design options. Click on your chosen template, and then click Open in Figma to access it. Wait for the template to fully load before proceeding. Once loaded, navigate to the specific page you want to edit within the template. To edit text content, click on the text element you want to modify, then double-click it to enter edit mode, where you can make your changes. If you want to move layers around the canvas, simply click and hold the layer you want to relocate, then drag it to the position where you want to place it. This allows you to customize the layout according to your preferences and create your desired website design.